Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by marking the filming area and confirming 6 to 8 feet width. This frames your shot. Once done, select a main color and an accent to create visual depth. Measure twice, then mount a backdrop or paint a panel. Make sure seams are hidden. Set 2 lights, key and fill, at 45-degree angles and add a hair or rim light for separation. Keep tools handy so you can adjust framing and balance quickly as you test the camera. You now create layers. Start with a mid-ground shelf or plant to break flatness and place items at different heights. Then, tune your lights. Set key light brighter and fill softer so shadows remain natural. Once the base is lit, add texture, fabric or wood panels to make the scene tactile and to improve audio by reducing reflections. Make sure spacing between subject and background is at least 3 feet to blur the backdrop and increase perceived depth. You finish by setting camera composition. Eye level 16:9 crop, and correct white balance so skin tones look natural. Once done, record a 30 to 60 second test clip and listen, audio issues show now, so fix mic placement or foam if needed. Then adjust small props and light intensity until the scene reads on camera. If something goes wrong, check mounts and reflections first. A loose clamp or shiny object usually
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.